I was walking in the valley, shadows all around. Heavy were my burdens, hope was hard to find. Then I heard you calling, soft but clear and true. You said, "Child, don't be afraid, I'm walking with you." Every step I take, I'm not alone. Every tear I cry, you've always known. You reached for my hand, lifted my eyes, showed me the way beyond the night. One step in faith, I'm rising higher, leaving fear at the foot of the fire. With every breath, my heart believes you're leading me where my soul is free. Oh, step by step, up the stairs to heaven, day by day, my heart keeps pressing on. With Jesus Christ, I'm never shaken. He is the rock that I stand upon. Step by step, grace keeps on lifting. Love so strong, it pulls me through. By faith I climb, my eyes on glory. Every step is leading me to you. Sometimes I stumble, sometimes I fall, but mercy catches me whenever I call. Your words are light on every step. Your love reminds me you're always there. Through the storms and through the pain, your promises remain the same. When the road feels long and steep, you give my soul the strength to keep. One step in faith, I'm rising higher, leaving doubt in the dust and fire. With every prayer, my heart believes you're leading me where my soul is free. Step by step, up the stairs to heaven, day by day, my heart keeps pressing on. With Jesus Christ, I'm never shaken. He is the rock that I stand upon. Step by step, grace keeps on lifting. Love so strong, it pulls me through. By faith I climb, my eyes on glory. Every step is leading me. When I can't see the top, I trust your hand. When I don't understand, I still will stand. From glory to glory, my faith ascends. You are the beginning, you are the end. Higher, higher, my spirit sings. Heaven's closer than it seems. Higher, higher, by faith I move. Every step is a step with you. Step by step.